Hey guys, were you listening to the press briefing yesterday where Fikile Mbalula was saying, "Ubana, yeah, CIC is dangerous. He's the one person who's not supposed to come closer to the GNU or something like that." Let me play that thing for you guys because I don't think you guys caught up. Let me play that thing for you. Nivu Mbalulu ba uthini go CIC. uMbalulu uyamoyika kodwa CIC. Uyamoyika nyanya. He's just scared of him overtaking him. Ebethunana, how dangerous can one man be?
You think Malema will stop his motion of no confidence if we bring him into the GNU? He's not. He could actually be the worst. He could be the one who can fast track our demise. He's too dangerous because so it's not straight. So when we deal with the DA, we deal with clear things. Sidila nento siyibonayo imigulukudu esiyijongileyo siyayibona ukuthi lento ifuna uyakuphi.